All right, hello everyone. It's Scott and Cisco here from True Fat Cannabis Training, and we've got a vaporizer here we're just going to be unboxing today. It's the Micro from DAVINCI, and it's the Explorers Collection edition, I believe, here. So yeah, we'll just get that a little bit of a unboxing video guys here for you guys today to take a look at what that's all about. So the Micro Personal Vaporizer, got some pretty sharp packaging here.
Nice product information on the box, gives you an idea of what everything does. Obviously purity, innovation, and control are the three hallmarks of what they want to talk about in the packaging there.
Yeah, so we've got the looks like a little grinder there, the unit itself, a little small storage unit thing there. I think this is what houses the spare battery and acts as another little sort of stash container as well.
And yeah, that spare battery is really important on these smaller vaporizers. It gives everybody a little bit longer session when they're out and about. Looks like it's like a bit of a key ring, so you can keep it with you pretty easy.
Yeah, so that's the little stash container in there as well. So that's pretty neat feature to have.
Maybe an extra bowl or something?
Yeah, it's got a little small stash container in there, I think. Yeah, so that little end there's got a little container to...
Great.
Yeah, so what else we got in there? We've got the unit itself, yep. And then we've got a grinder,
a
little flat medallion there.
Yep, very nice, looks good. Rubber edge so you don't cut yourself or anything like that.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Pull that unit out of there.
Yeah, so let's have a look at the handheld unit itself. Very nice, yeah, it's a nice matte black finish. Fits in your hand really well. You can actually almost conceal it completely in your hand if you want to be really discreet about it. What do we have here? Should we take a look at it? We got the
just get a quick look there.
What do we have? We have under the lid here. Looks like that's where the battery loads, as well as you can see that's the part of the vapor path through the mouthpiece there. Bottom loading chamber.
Oh yeah, there's the chamber there. It looks like it's like a ceramic coating on that bowl there, and then I think there's a adjustable pearl on there, isn't there?
Right,
like
yeah.
that?
So you can adjust the size of the load, and that way it keeps it nice and compact, because it is a conduction type vaporizer, being a handheld unit. So you want to keep your cannabis fairly well compacted there. It takes up the extra space. Actually, if you're just having a small session, nice. Let's see here. Close that up.
All right.
USB on the side for charging. We have some instructions on the back that look like they're applied just with a sticker, so you can take those off if you want. And
a couple of basic buttons, and you're off to the races.
Excellent. All right, so that's the handheld unit itself. Again, nice, comfortable feel, not too heavy. But
looks like we've got a little small plug there, probably for the USB cover. We can put that in there later. Let's just open this up here. See, we've got a few more accessories that come in this kit here. Looks like they provide some nice decals.
Nice.
Little Micro Explorers Collection instruction booklet. Let's see here what we got. Yeah, so there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. We'll probably do more of the in detail on all these accessories in the part 2 video, but let's just take a quick look. A nice little carrying pouch for it.
And a silicone sleeve, nice.
Yeah,
nice.
Sort of a bit of a shock dampener. As somebody who tends to drop their vaporizer from time to time, that's going to be a nice feature for sure.
Excellent. Yeah,
some nice little compartments inside of there. So storage container, extended mouthpiece, accessories, another little box there, charge cable. So yeah, a pretty extensive set of extra accessories and stuff that comes in this unit here. So pretty.
Right, and this is the Explorers edition. So this does come with a few extra features like the sleeve in the case that I believe the standard edition does not come with. So this is definitely worth the extra investment, I think, to go for the Explorer edition. Very nice, Scott.
Awesome. Well, that's I think that's enough for now. We'll go over this a little bit more in detail when we get this a good wipe down and clean down. We're going to clean it off with some isopropyl alcohol before we give it a first use there, and we'll have part 2 and give you guys a bit more feedback on how this thing works when we get it fired up. All right, thanks a lot for watching.